out. This is what my fourth unboxing right now. So this is from Skeepers, which if y'all don't know is Octoly, but they rebranded their name, so it's now Skeepers. So it's like another beauty platform where you can find any gifted you receive any gifted opportunities that you like if you were looking for a specific brand and you want to try their product out, you just go to this platform and you message them and you know apply for the product that you want, and then you wait a few days and then they choose you. Sometimes they don't. So yeah, that's pretty much a little bit of intro what this Skeepers platform is, in case y'all are interested. And yes, I received this for free, but no, I don't get paid at all. So I just been receiving a lot of stuff from this platform, which is crazy. But yeah, definitely be quick with it and apply, because you never know, you might get paid. Like me, literally, I'm so shocked. But this is skincare, so I think I've been needing this. This is a, what is it? Oh, it's the Ordinary. I forgot about it. So, wait, I feel like they sent me something else. I don't know why they send a big box with the one little thing, but anyways. This is their salicylic acid 2% solution. So this supposedly is good for your acne, you know, and I get a lot of acne, so I feel like after using an acne patch, or you know, when it's barely first coming out, or you feel like something's coming out, I feel like I'm gonna use this to see if it lowers it down, or you know, removes the scar. I don't know. That's why I applied for this, because I'm trying to see if it works for that. Because look at this scar. Acne scar hasn't been gone for the past few months, so I'm hoping this works for that, because I'm not trying to have acne. Okay, let alone acne scars, you know what I'm saying? So I have the multi-peptide serum. Supposedly that's good for like wrinkles and fine lines. So right now I'm just using it for my forehead line. It's been weeks, but I haven't noticed a difference. So I don't know, we'll see if it works after I finish the bottle. But basically, you see that line, supposedly that Ordinary serum works for that, you know. And I've been seeing before and after results on their Instagram, I think, website, and it works for other people. So I'm like, where's my turn? When is it gonna happen to me? I'm just kidding, but I just hope it works. If not, then it's totally okay, you know. But so I hope this one works too, because I feel like somebody I follow on Instagram, I'm not sure, used this for that acne. I don't know. I think it worked for that. I was like, this brand has good reviews, so I'm like, let me just try it, you know. So it's pretty sleek, clear, white. It looks like the other serum that I unboxed, and I think I've used it here too. So it's a pretty big bottle. It's pretty full. It looks kind of yellowish. It's an interesting texture. It's not so liquidy, but not so thick. It's a good in between. It's kind of like a gel serum type consistency. I don't know, but this doesn't really have a scent, so this is good for sensitive skin types as well. So yeah, look, it looks like this. So I'm not gonna use it today because I have, you see, it's kind of slimy a little, but not really. So whenever I feel a pimple coming in, I'm gonna try this out really quick to see, and do like maybe a before and after. I don't know, we'll see, because I hope this works. My gosh. And I've been seeing men use this brand too, so I'm like, damn, so that's how good this brand is. So I'm like, I don't know if they're paying them, but, and these people have clear skin, so I'm like, you know what, I just need to try it, because recently I just got these 3 dots, and it's not acne, it's just dots, red dots. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's for being in the sun and it's sunspots, or I don't freaking know, but I just randomly have these. and I haven't used skincare in this area to try to remove it by itself because I don't want to risk it, you know, to make it a scar. So that's also why I haven't been using skincare. I don't know what made that, like what started it. I don't know. That freaks me out. So I'm kind of scared, but we'll see. So this supposedly is good, so we'll see. So what is this for? All that. Oh, you have to use it 3 times daily. Yeah, I can't do 2 times daily. I forget. Imagine 3. That's too much of a commitment. Like I'm sorry, but that's too much. Like, I don't know. I hope I remember to use this 3 times daily when I have a pimple only. So this is gonna last me a long time, I feel like. So we'll see. Do I have a new pimple so I can use it? No, it's just scarring today. Yeah, it's scarring. I don't have a new pimple coming in, so never mind. I'm not gonna be able to use this as an example today. So maybe another day, or I'll put a clip here using it. I don't freaking know about it. So yeah, thank you, The Ordinary, for sending me this. It's Keepers. Can't wait to try this out. So wow, it's pretty exciting. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, for this one. Yay, bye. Thanks for watching.